Welcome back to our video session. I am back. I bought new topics, 2 marks from the lesson Molecular Basis of Inheritance from our Bowskin subject, Botany. Let's see. Already the concepts are mentioned on the board. First one we shall start. What are histones and what are the functions of the histones in the DNA packaging? Everybody, histone proteins are the special proteins which are found in the human body cells, especially around these histone proteins, 2 turns of DNA strand is wrapped around 200 base pairs. Then these histone proteins are highly helpful in the DNA packaging inside the cell. So these histone proteins, 8 proteins together form an octamer, or it is also called histone core. So finally this octamer or histone core along with the 2 turns of DNA strand form the nucleosome. So the structural, functional, basic unit for genetic information, nucleosome. So that is an unique characteristic feature of histone proteins. Done. Followed by heterochromatin and euchromatin. What are those? So these both terms related to chromatin fiber, which is present in the nucleus and the 2 in the nucleoplasm. These chromatin fibers later they are condensed and transformed into chromosomes. Here heterochromatin is densely packed, euchromatin is lightly packed, in the sense loosely. Heterochromatin is densely packed material, euchromatin is loosely packed material. Here heterochromatin staining is dark, coming to euchromatin staining is light. Hetero darkly stained, eu lightly stained, and heterochromatin is transcriptionally inactive, but euchromatin is transcriptionally active. So these are the main differences between hetero and euchromatin. Don't be confused. Followed by DNA as genetic material. First time who proposed DNA as genetic material, in the sense there are 2 types of scientists are there. These scientists, with the help of bacteriophage, they were concluded DNA is a genetic material. Then who are those, in the sense? Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. Scientist number 1, Alfred Hershey. Scientist number 2, Martha Chase. These both scientists, they were concluded DNA as the genetic material. It will be passed from one cell to another cell. Done. Followed by, what are the components of nucleotides? In the genetic material, especially DNA, nucleotides are there, nucleosides are there. So nucleotide, it has 3 components. Number 1, pentose sugar. Number 2, nitrogen base. Number 3, phosphate molecule. So this pentose sugar and phosphate molecule, nitrogen base are the components of a nucleotide. Done. Then followed by RNA viruses. What are the RNA viruses? Nothing but Viruses, according to their genome or genetic material, there are two types. Viruses whichever they contains DNA as their genetic material, those are called adenoviruses. Then the viruses which are having RNA as their genetic material, those are called retroviruses. Then here RNA as genetic material viruses examples: number 1 poliovirus, number 2 influenza virus, number 3 HIV human immunodeficiency virus, then number 4 TMV tobacco mosaic virus, etc. Likewise examples we can be delivered, but these are few. Then followed by stop codons. In one video I have explained clearly about codons, nothing but genetic code. Here around 64 codons are there. Those 64 codons code 20 amino acids respectively, but 3 codons out of 64, 3 codons are there. They never code any amino acid and they stop or inhibit the protein synthesis because they are called stop codons. UAA, UAG, UGA. These 3 are considered stop codons. Then followed by last one, what is AUG, and this codon, what it indicates, in the sense what is the specific characteristic feature of AUG, in the sense AUG codon code an amino acid that is known as methionine. Methionine amino acid coded by AUG, and also it initiates mRNA translation. Initiation is AUG main theme, and coding methionine is also main theme. I hope everybody understood the small topics whichever I have been explaining to you. One more video I shall meet with you in one more topic. This is Mr Karthikeyan, mentor educator in NEET and all types of competitive classes. Thank you. Signing off.